Hi, this is Asin. You are now watching Asin SL TV. Today, I would like to share how to create restrictions on case entry by using data validation. Let's go to the Data tab, look for Data Tools, we choose the third option, Data Validation. Before that, let's learn one important function for this tutorial. When we type equal to find, we can see that find will return the starting position of one text string that match with another. And find is case sensitive, which means that we can use find to check whether it's the case that we want. Let's try. So we are going to go to the data validation, choose custom, and we type the formula equal to find. So what we have to do here is to compare the text that we have, which means that we must refer to the cell that we want that restriction. So we have B2 here. So B2. And we need to compare with, since we want capital letter, which means an uppercase. So we type uppercase, and this uppercase is from the text in the cell B2 as well. If we found the match text and the starting character must be equal to 1, which means that all match and we should have the correct entry. So we click on OK and try to see the result. So if let's say we input small letter, for example M, as we can see this is not allowed. But if let's say we change to capital letter, as we can see this is allowed. If you want to have exactly the same type of validation for other cells, we select the cell that contain the validation that we want, press Ctrl C to copy, choose the cell that we want to have the validation, press Ctrl Alternate V, and we choose validation. And the cell should have exactly the same format. Now let's try. So let's say we press and type the small letter. So this is not allowed since what we need here is capital letter. So when we change to capital letter, this will definitely allow, as we can see here. Now let's try for small letter. So we are going to use exactly the same method. Go to validation, again custom, and this time we should use lower instead of upper. So we have the function find. Now we have B3. So B3, we use the lowercase for B3. If match, then definitely starting character 1 and click on OK. So let's try. So let's say we have capital letter, not allowed. But when we change to small letter, definitely allowed, as we can see here. So also the same when we want to copy for other cells, Control C copy, select, Control Alternate V and paste for the validation. Click on OK. So again, we are able to have small letter now, as we can see here. How about proper case? Also the same. Go to validation, custom, also make use of the function find. And this time we have B4. We should choose proper noun for this case. B4. And must be equal to 1. Click on OK. Let's try. We have async here. As we can see, proper case allowed. But let's say all small letter cannot, since what we need is proper case. Okay, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Hope you like this. See you.